Hi, actually we are in PCTU campus, Da Nang City, in front of Medical Museum. This is a new medical museum. Actually, I think this is the first time in Vietnam they have medical museum here. Okay, just tell me about medical museum. You know about medical museum?
Yeah, basically medical museum is like, you can say, a collection of all types of specimens of diseases and organs and everything, so that it becomes easier for the students when they actually look at things practically, right?
Actually, in medicine, it is very important to study anatomy. If you know the anatomy, then only you can get to know about how the organs work, how a normal organ functions, how normal organ looks. Later on, you can do the diagnosis based on that. So it is very important to know your basics, and for that it is very good that this university have a medical museum where we can see how a normal organ looks, how a diseased organ looks, how a new diagnosis is done. And the thing is, like, there will be some specific cases which are very rare, and those kind of specimen and all are collected for further studies. So this and all is included in the medical museum. So it's very good that this university have it, so which will facilitate the students to study in a better way. So other than anatomy, just than dissection, this is really a good thing that we focus on.
And I think we're so lucky to have the first medical museum in Da Nang and Vietnam is in our university, which in itself is a very matter of pride for all of us rather.